Good evening, Howard Middle School families. This is Principal Parker. Thank you for coming out tonight to our open house. You are very welcome on campus anytime. We are especially happy to see you this evening. You have an opportunity to meet all of your students' teachers. Our teachers are excited to talk to you about what they do every day. Hopefully, some of your students will have an opportunity to show you around their classrooms. As we transition from class to class, your administrative team that you're getting ready to meet will be in the hallway. We will be happy to hand you a scavenger hunt for our school-wide scavenger hunt this evening. It should be some fun. Once you complete that with your students, you can turn them in the cafeteria. There'll be a box there labeled scavenger hunts, and your students will have an opportunity to win an Amazon gift card. So we are excited to have you this evening. We cannot make anything happen at Howard Middle School without the support and help of our families. So we are very glad you're here tonight. If you get an opportunity, don't forget to check out our fundraiser, which we also have flyers for those floating around the school. Thank you for being here.
Good evening, Howard Middle School parents, families, and guardians. I am Mrs. Cotton. I am the Assistant Principal of Curriculum here at Howard Middle School, and my main responsibility for your student or students is to make sure of their academic success. Please remember that every year, students must pass 3 language arts total classes, 3 math classes, 3 social studies classes, and 3 science classes for a total of 12 units throughout their 3 years. Please make sure that you also are aware of checking their grades continually on Skyward. You have access to that. You have also access as a parent to their Canvas platform. Some teachers keep their grades in Canvas and transfer those grades over periodically. Again, if you ever need any help with your students, myself and my guidance team, Mrs. Howard and Mrs. Sapp, are here to help your students to make sure that they go to high school and be the most successful person that they can be. We're glad you're here. Have a great evening.
Good afternoon, Howard Middle School families. This is AP Henson here. I am the assistant principal in charge of discipline. Myself, as well as my team, Mr. Dobermeyer, Ms. Dorch, and Dr. Macias, are all here to help your students be successful here at school by being the best versions of themselves. We encourage proactive discipline, so if your student is having conflict with another student here on campus, we ask that you reach out to our department so that we can help those students mediate that conflict so it doesn't escalate into a major situation. We are always here and we welcome your feedback. We also welcome any information that you have about situations going on here at school that we may not be aware of. Anything that we have that helps us keep students safe and in class, we greatly appreciate. Additionally, flu clinic vaccine forms were sent home last Friday. They are due by September 22nd. Our flu clinic will be held here on campus on September 26th. So if you could please get those forms back, that would be greatly appreciated. If your student needs a new form, please ask them to ask their teacher to come see AP Henson, and I will give them another forms for you to complete. As always, thank you for your time. Go Bulls.
Hello, Howard Middle School. It's Miss Hamill here. Welcome learners, welcome families, welcome anyone who takes part in their learners' success. That's what we're all here for. We are all here to help our learners be successful. One of the ways we do that is that we are an International Baccalaureate Middle Years program. This should not be a surprise to anyone. And if it is, you're going to talk to your learners so that it's not a surprise the next time. We are a Middle Years program here on campus. Some things that might look like for your learner. Number one, your learners have one of the best arts programs in the district. They have many more opportunities here than they do on other campuses because they are an IB student. We also offer Spanish. That's an amazing opportunity for our learners to take part in language acquisition, which is another part in making them a balanced learner. Some things your learners might be talking about is the learner profile. Every month we talk about one learner profile attribute. This month it's caring. Hey, pop quiz, ask your learner what last month's attribute was. They should be able to tell you. All right, that's part of our Student of the Month. It's also part of our PBIS system. Your learner may be coming home and bragging that they got an ICIB slip. That means that they were caught by one of their teachers or one of our staff members on campus showing one of the 10 learner profile attributes. That's amazing. we get a chance to recognize them here on campus, but you might want to say congratulations or recognize it at home as well. All right, one of the final things I do want to remind you guys, for my 8th grade learners, your learners will be taking part in a community project this year. More information is going to be coming home very, very soon. I just wanted to put it into the universe so you know it's coming. Community project for our 8th graders. 6th and 7th graders are still working on their community service hours. For 6th grade, that's 2 hours. For 7th grade, that's 4 hours. They can pick up the slips at Ms. Hamill's office, or you can also download it, fill it in from our website. All right, parents, families, learners, I am so happy to welcome you to Howard Middle School's campus. We are so glad you are here, and I'm going to end out with Go Bulls.